Yo, 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 what up, YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing. You already know the deal. Let's get the keyboard out the way. Move this over to the side like I always do. And let's get this other package out, which is right here. You already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So we're gonna open up this one because I am actually waiting for more products to come in the mail, which I'm waiting for Amazon. So get this one out the way. So if you see my other unboxing, this is basically the part 2 for this one. So this one's the Airgoo extenders right here. This is the 24 pin for the your motherboard. So let's just get this open. As you can see. So the reason why I got this one is because I needed this. The reason why I purchased this, because I actually needed this part right here because I ran out of ARGB, which is the J Rainbow port for the ARGB ports, which is the 3 pins right here, as you can see right here, which is actually this part right here. As you can see that right there, that's the adapter one, and this is the part that goes into the motherboard right here. Right there, you basically plug this into the motherboard. And here's everything right here. So I needed this. This is going to go into the motherboard, and this is going to connect towards it. Then I'm going to use these right here to basically plug everything else inside of it like that. So you got that. Then you get the card, more literature right here. It tells you how it works. You get the actual cable right here. Now y'all know I do have a pink one, so I'm going to actually replace that one and pop this one inside of it, and we're going to have my full RGBs and stuff set up right there. So that's basically right here. Then you get the extra parts right here, as you can see, and more zip ties and stuff like that. So I'm going to get this set up inside my case, and I'm going to go about that from there, guys. So let's just close this up right there. Pop that right there, and there we go. So I'm gonna catch you guys later. It's your boy Daddy Easy, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wow.